The full review of the Oppo Enco M32 after 2 months of usage. Whether this neckband worth for 1500 rupees, let's find out in this video by starting with a quick unboxing of this neckband. The box is very simple and clean. At the first glance, it impressed me a lot. The box does not contain much details in the front of the box, and in backside it contains the feature details of the Oppo Enco M32. After opening the box, straight away you get the neckband, which is neat and clean, and it's impressed me a lot in the first look. If you take the neckband, inside you get the Type A to Type C USB cable for charging, and you get some extra pair of buds in different sizes, and finally there are some paperwork and manuals to how to operate this. The design of this neckband is very simple and clean, and there is no new design involved in this neckband, which makes this neckband very simple, and if you wear it's more comfortable, and it also sits into my ears perfectly without any trouble. And I have used this neckband for a long time and I haven't noticed any discomfort while wearing this neckband. The power button and the volume buttons are located on the right side of the band, and below that there is a C-type port for charging. And there is one negative thing about the button positioning. When you wear this neckband, the buttons comes inside your neck, which creates some difficulty to press the button. It will be easier to press the buttons on the outside than pressing inside. And you may feel it's a little one or a simple thing, but when you wear this neckband, you will definitely know this difficulty while using the Oppo Enco M32. And these buds are actually a magnetic one, and it also has the control to turn off and turn on this neckband. See, now the neckband is turned on, and now the neckband is turned off, and it's a cool thing. And when it's come to the connectivity, it was just seamless. It's connecting to any device within a second, and to be honest, I was never expecting this seamless time of connectivity with a device, especially in this price range. So Oppo did a great job in this price one. And one more thing to add, when you have a two paired device near to this neckband, when you disconnect from the one device, it's automatically flashed to the other device within a second. I was never expecting this seamless switching from one device to another in this price range. If you think it's a cool option, then drop a comment in the comment section. And this neckband comes with the Bluetooth version 5.0, and the Bluetooth connectivity is good actually, and I haven't faced any Bluetooth connectivity issues while using this neckband. Even you can move one room away from the connected device, the connectivity is very good, but when you move to the third room, it obviously gets disconnected. This happens even in the premium level of headphones, so it's a normal thing to get disconnected when you move long from the connected device. So it's a normal thing. And when it comes to the sound quality of this Oppo Enco M32, it was very good. Actually, it was great, but really it has a two kind of sound quality. Up to 80% of the volume, everything was just great, crispy and sharp, and everything was good. But above 80%, the bass is boosted very heavily. So in the result, the music or the sound has a very high bass, and the background sounds like a little bit shattered, not sharper. And some people may like this sound and some may not. And I personally, I don't like the shattered music. I like the sharp music. And one more thing to add up, when you hear songs above 80%, you can hear the songs outside the neckband without wearing it. And it's a common in most of the device, but just thought of mentioning. The mic quality of this Enco M32 is just outstanding. I answered a lot of calls with this neckband, but no one really complained about my voice quality or this mic quality. But first time while answering a call with this Oppo Enco M32, I thought they would complain about my voice quality or this mic quality, because I experienced those kind of things while using or answering a call with the other neckbands. But this Oppo Enco M32's mic quality is just outstanding. No one complained about it. And if you are going to buy a neckband for just answering calls while doing some other things, straight away just buy this neckband without any hesitation. And the main thing to worry before buying any Bluetooth device is the lag issue. And when it comes to this Oppo Enco M32, I haven't noticed any lip sync lag while watching any kind of videos. The Oppo has really worked hard to fix this lag issue, and a great appreciation for Oppo here. And when it comes to gaming, casual gaming is fine with this neckband, and as I always say, I won't prefer the Bluetooth device for hardcore gaming, and the same rule is applied for this Oppo Enco M32 also. So no heavy gaming in this neckband. And the battery life, one of the main constraints for buying a Bluetooth device is the battery life and the charging time. When it comes to the battery life in this Oppo Enco M32, it easily stands for 18 to 20 hours of time. I was really surprised about that one. And when it comes to the charging time, within 15 to 25 minutes the neckband is charged 100%. Just a mind-blowing thing. And you have to no worry about this battery life and this charging time in this Oppo Enco M32. And this Oppo Enco M32 is just passing most of our constraints easily. To summarize this review, and this Oppo Enco M32 has a great comfort and it also sits into the ears perfectly, and it also has the great sounding, great mic quality, and it also has no lag issue, and it also offers the IP55, the water and dust resistance, so you can wear this neckband for workout purpose without any worries. And it has no active noise cancellation, but I felt it's a over expectation from this neckband in this price range. And if you are going to buy a neckband, or if you are willing to buy a neckband in this price range like 1000 to 1500 rupees, I will directly suggest to buy this Oppo Enco M32 because there is no competition for this one in this price range. And I hope I shared everything. If you feel I missed something, please comment in the comment section. I will answer your question. And I hope you like this video. If so, please hit the like button and also share this video with your friends. So let also know the review of this Oppo Enco M32. And please keep supporting us by subscribing to Activity Mad. And if you wish watch this product review also, thank you.